Follow these steps to install VN Escutcheon Trim indicators. The example shown demonstrates a thumb turn by cylinder function, although the process for other functions will be similar. Before installing the indicators, verify they are handed correctly and confirm the indicator rotates smoothly. Also, confirm the lock is unlocked prior to installation. With the door properly prepared for the VN Escutcheon and the mortise lock installed, slide the outside escutcheon assembly through the door and lock body. Next, thread the cylinder into the lock until it is flush with the escutcheon surface. Pull the key slightly out of the cylinder to help thread into the lock body. Install the cylinder clamp screw. Install the inside escutcheon assembly. Be sure to engage the spindle with the lock body. Secure with the 2 through-bolt screws. The outside lever is shipped with the outside spindle, inside spindle, and adjustment bolt assembled. Remove the adjustment bolt and inside spindle. Install the outside lever. Install the inside spindle and adjustment bolt. Tighten finger tight. Remove the dowel screw from the inside lever. Make sure the adjustment bolt hole is aligned with the lever by turning it clockwise or counterclockwise. Install the inside lever. Secure it with the dowel screw. Next, tighten the lock body screws completely. Attach the outside front with the 2 flathead screws. Finally, perform a functional check. The installation is complete.